In this video, you will learn about backing up and rebuilding your Destiny system. When backing up Destiny content, it is important to include the Destiny SQL database, the SQL transaction log, the master SQL database, and application folders. To restore Destiny content, you need to verify and restore the SQL database and also the /FSC Destiny application folder and subfolders. In order to back up Destiny, you need to have an understanding of Microsoft SQL Server terms. When choosing a backup, live backups are the safest, most comprehensive, and least disruptive. Another option is a data file backup. Also, you should choose a full backup if space and time are not an issue, as this is the easiest way to restore. A differential backup is also available. In this video, you have received an overview of backing up and restoring the Destiny system.